morning, Yellow 4. This is Miss Culberson with our lesson for Friday 9/11. So remember to get tuned with us and watch our circle video and also do the activity online. So go to MS Teams and let me know what diagram you made with your family. How do trees look like during the fall? All right, so I'm going to show you some trees and maybe you can see those trees this fall. We're so close to change to fall. September 22, they said, is when fall begins. So when fall begins, trees change in color. And you might find my favorite, red. I love red trees. They are my favorite. And how do we say red in Espanol? Rojo. Árbol rojo. Muy bien. And also you can find orange trees. Their leaves are turning orange too. And how do you say orange in Espanol? Naranja. Can you see it? Naranja. Good job, friends. Muy bien. Also, during the summer, it starts in the spring, but then during the spring and summer and parts of fall, trees can also be green. And that's great. Green is a beautiful color. I think Vicente's favorite color is green, isn't it? And how do we say green in Espanol? Verde. Árbol verde. Muy bien. We also have, well, I haven't seen these ones, but maybe if you find one, you can take a picture and show me. Have you seen a blue tree? I haven't seen one. I have seen blue orchids, but not blue trees. Maybe you can find one for me. Blue en español es azul, azul. Y podemos decir árbol azul. Muy bien. This is one of my favorites too. Yellow. Have you seen a yellow tree? They're more like golden. But yellow en español es amarillo. Can you say it with me? Amarillo. Muy bien, amigos. And the last one, I think you might see this one. I'm not sure. But maybe you can find a purple tree. Can you find a purple tree this fall? How do we say purple in español? Morado. Can you say one more time with me? Morado. Muy bien, amigos. Árbol morado. Good job. So let's prepare ourselves for fall and the beautiful colors that the trees have in this fall. And this coming week, we'll still talk about trees, and we will see if our seeds that we planted yesterday will become a sprout. Are you excited? I am very excited for it. I'm going to send you a big air hug, and I'll see you Monday. Bye-bye.